Do you used to see art on your Pixellab whenever you want to save a project and your data is on? Then this video is for you. Welcome to the first episode on Tell Me Something I Don't Know in Pixellab. And today we'll be solving something very simple. Really say simple. It don't used to be simple to me, but now I know it is simple. There are sometimes you are working on a project, probably maybe you went to do some researches, now come back to your Pixellab to do something, and I want to save. They are not showing you ads. I mean, you'll be shocked. But today I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem and no ads will be even showing your ad in your Pixellab even if your data is on. How do you solve this problem? Go ahead and open your phone settings. When you open your settings, you are going to look for either network and internet, or you go to more connections depending on the kind of phone you are using. When you tap on more connections, you are going to see here that they wrote private DNS. You are going to tap on it. Likely your own is on automatic or off, that's why it's still showing ads. But what we are going to do now is to tap on this private DNS provider. So we are going to type in this thing that is here, dns.r.com. It's because I already have it saved on my settings, that's why it's showing there. But likely your own, it won't be showing there. So we are going to type in dns.adguard.com and you are going to save it. So now it's saved on your phone. So now you can see it, my internet is connected. So I'm going to go back to that same Pixellab and I'm going to try and save a project. Let me know if it's still going to show me ads. So I'll go ahead and tap here, tap on save as image, and I'll go ahead and save to gallery. Let me know if it is going to still do the same thing it did, show me ads or not. As you can see, it's saved directly without no ads. There is no ad showing, no ads at all, and my data is on. So with this, even this, not just in your Pixellab, other applications that used to have some ads pop up, most of them will be cut down. Even some websites which will be cut down too. And that's how you solve this problem in minutes. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and like this video and also share with your friends, as this could be a lifesaver. And if you've come into my channel for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, as more of this type of videos will be coming up in this series of Tell Me Something I Don't Know in Pixellab. I will see you in the next episode, right? Until next time, stay creative, keep creating.